Alright, Finder Flint Rock here. It's March 27th. Basically day 2 after the floods went down. A lot of water dropped out again last night. And the winds are a lot calmer this morning, so beautiful sunrise over there. So gonna give it another shot and see what I can find today. Alright, I got out in this little cut corn bump that kind of developed a couple years ago when the flood came through here, and looks like the flood just kind of ate this thing, just moved all the topsoil around, left all this broken rock. There's just a ton. It's almost like a driveway. It's kind of crazy. But anyway, looks like you get to start the day with a little scraper, I think. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, that's a start. Alright, haven't made it very far. Did end up kind of pulling something strange out. I didn't film it, so wasn't sure it was much of anything, but it's like a big old hammerstone. Got the little nutting indentation on both sides, but I don't know if sunlight helps or hurts there, but anyway, pretty cool hammerstone there. So set this down real quick. Man, it's so muddy, it's hard to keep my footing out here. Got this base of some sort sticking up here. I'm not really sure it's anything. Feels like it's got some wiggle to it. So we'll see here. Oh yeah. Pretty cool. Try to rinse it off a little better. Get some color on it. Alright. Try to give an idea of what I'm walking out here. And that river come up and just pretty much left nothing but the clay bottom here. There's a little bit of silt, but not much. Got all that busted up gravel, corn root showing. That's always a great sign. And then we got this. Yeah. Alright, a couple geese flying by. I don't know if they'll show up in that video or not, but anyways, coming up on some of this piled up pea gravel, little chips of rock and everything. I found a midsection of a pretty nice looking blade. Get it out real quick here. That'd have been nice. Pretty thin, well made. Anyway, I always take my time on these little piles of gravel. The river pushes all this stuff up and just kind of sits here. So I see another broke tip right here, and then I look up and got that little birdie point there. So that'd have been pretty nasty too, huh? All right. It's kind of a pinkish white, probably river pebble of some sort. So, alright, get back. Good day so far. Alright, getting just past this cut corn here and into the edge of this field. As you can see, there's nothing except clay. It got extremely scoured when that water came up. It looks like the first line of leaving debris behind was this gravel pile here. There's a couple things laying in it. This one looks a little broken. Yeah, it's broken. This one's a little banged up. Oh man, that's nice. Just a little piece missing on the side there. And over here, again. Nice, real colorful birdie there. Steps over here. Looks like we got probably a hafted scraper. I can't tell if it's broken or worked down that way, but I'll get home, clean it up, see what it looks like. That's all I see for now. Almost overwhelming trying to look through that. Anyway, gonna hit this clay out spot here and see what happens out here. Alright, here we go already. Right there's that little pile of gravel I just pulled those 3 or 4 pieces out of. Took a few steps, just kind of gonna slowly zigzag my way. Didn't get very far. Got this thing, I don't know if the tip's there or not. Yeah, the tip's been knocked off. It's alright. Man, some cool material. I have no idea what that is. This is going to be a fun day, I can tell. I haven't even been like 10 steps from that little point with the tip knocked off. Got this really nice pestle laying here. Oh yeah. That's cool. I like that. And then, out of the corner of my eye, glance over. I've got this nice Dina blunt laying here. Oh, it's banged up. That's alright though. Alright, so I've got a little red birdie here in the mud a little bit. What it looks like. Oh yeah. Pretty cool. I don't know if the sunlight's got a glare on it or not. It's actually a really nice day out here. Oh, sorry about that. It just a light breeze, about 45 degrees, and the sun just a little overcast, so it's bright enough without being irritating. So, all right. Oh, it's banged up a little bit too. It's alright, it's going to happen. So, usually a pocket full of brokes is a couple good ones you get. You guys know how it is. That's nice. It looks like it's just going to be one of those days. I'm not going to get very far without having to stop and pick something else up. Got extremely lucky to get these conditions today. Alright, got another one. Just a little stem point. Pretty cool nonetheless. The way the conditions are, and a lot of Adena stuff comes off these ridges. Some of you that watch my videos, this is pretty much what I refer to as the Adena Ridge for me. Most of my Adenas come off this one. Looks like I got a pretty nice one laying here. The sun, see if the sun makes a difference. Might be a glare, I don't know. Alright. That's nice. Alright, I took like 3 steps away from that Adena. Got this one here. Maybe a curve, I'm not really sure. That's what that is. Unbelievable day for me. Man, it doesn't happen this way very often at all. You know, you usually find a couple here and there, but just really amazed at what this flood's brought. Oh man. Made my way a little bit here. Haven't gone too far though. Still got a long way to go. I'm just kind of walking it really slow. I run across that little bird point here. I don't know, maybe more like a little palmer or something. It's that little side notch. Find a lot of those out here too. Like a little barb damage. I think that might be another little Kirk. Corner notch. I don't know. Doesn't really matter because it's nice. I haven't moved much, but there's no need to on a day like today. So just a lot of nice stuff to look at out here. Real easy to get lost in it. Little bird point here. Alright, about halfway down this ridge now. It's taking a little while, but man, it's been well worth it, I'd say. So anyway, kind of a little bit of this ridge just has a lot of busted up rock, but not a whole lot in between. It's like there's two different sides or something out here. Not really sure what to think about it. Anyway, walked up on this one here. Oh, it's pretty nice. Oh yeah. Alright. It looks like the wind's trying to pick up a little bit again. Hopefully it won't get too bad. Yesterday was awful. But anyway, just another one of the little bird points there. As I was getting my camera out and looking around. See this? It looks like it might be just a little nicked on the tip. We'll see if the rest of it's there. Oh, that's not too bad at all. Alright. Alright, back again. Try to block the wind a little bit. Got one laying here in a little wash trench, looks like, and it's a little nicer than the little bird points and everything else I've been picking up today. Not that it matters a whole lot, because all of them are nice, man. Just having fun building a collection here, but hopefully this guy's hole looks like he is. Oh yeah. That's a pretty nice head right there. ago, this ridge got scoured up pretty good by flood waters. I had a pretty good day that day, but I tell you, I don't really think I've had this good a day ever. This had to be my best day yet. Just extremely lucky. Kind of almost unbelievable. Alright, I said just a second ago, and literally like 2 minutes ago, it's bound to be my best day yet. And said it's pretty much unbelievable. I take about 10 more steps. This pretty thing laying here. Man, that's nice. It's right here. Looking really nice. I haven't filmed all the brokes today. Trying to save on batteries. But man, I got probably twice as many broke points as I do good ones today. Like I said earlier, you guys know what that's all about. It started out as a pretty nice day. It's turning into a cold, blustery day now, and a little bit of sleet starting to fall. But I don't think I'm going to go home yet. Finally made my way down the end of the ridge there. I turned around. I gotta end up walking this side of the ridge. See, this side's pretty much just as scoured down as the other. Now, just kind of standing here, took a break for a second to grab a drink of water and look down. Looks like I got something sticking out here. It's got a little bit of meat to it when you wiggle it, so don't know if it's gonna be anything or not. Just a broke tip. Oh well. Alright, finally made my way to the end of that ridge on that side. It's a little bit of silt over here down low. It's still scoured pretty good up above, but even though the silt got left behind just because of the residual water, most of it still got scoured out pretty good over here. I got a ways to go yet, so anyway, I just turned a few minutes ago, and even though it's a little silty, walked up on this sticking out here. See this hole. Oh yeah. It's kind of a cool base on it. I'll take it. Got done walking that scarred off ridge back there. Wasn't much on the backside, a couple of DM points, which are good enough, you know. It's good. And I got back in here this cut corn and just was walking a straight line back to the truck. Oh, good. Stuck in the mud. You can see my footprints there about maybe 10 feet up in front. I was zigzagging at the time. I don't really know where I went. But I walked right up on this, and man, it's a sweet score for the end of the day. Oh man, that's unbelievable. Yeah, I got lucky to find that, huh?